First time trying Nigerian food.
For the first time. Loose the goose, don't get me started. Goosey and fufu. You slap the fufu with no mess. Just slap it and take it. Yes.
First time trying Nigerian food. I got their fufu meal. Not sure exactly what fufu is. I've never felt this before. Looks like mashed potatoes, but has a really weird texture. Almost rubbery, squishy. Almost has no taste. I got oxtail egusi soup. Try with some of this first. Egusi. This is wild. I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like. Fufu with the oxtail. Their food is so fresh. Look how thick and tender their oxtail is. You got the oxtail on there. Got the rice and goat. Oh my. That rice is different. The goat is so tender. This how y'all eating over there? This egusi has like a nutty, buttery flavor. This was super good. Exceeded all of my expectations. I rate this at 8.8. Yes, I would try it again.
Y'all, we got some African food today, y'all. This my first time, y'all. Loose as a goose, don't get me started. Hey, what this by? Hold on, y'all. Loose as a goose, don't get me started. Hold on, y'all. Baby, this tastes good. I don't know, y'all. This is my first time, but I like it. Oh, you hit that spot, yada. Let's see what this fish bite. Baby. Zobo. Okay. Now listen, I don't know what this is, but I can tell y'all it's cleaning out my insides. Because the way that tastes, baby, it's moving some furniture around in my insides. No cap. No cappy, happy.
Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be trying Nigerian food for the first time. First up, we've got egusi soup. Mwah. Next I have amala. I think that's what it's called. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. That's hot. Oh my. Woo! Brown fufu? I don't know. I don't even know why I'm trying. Okay. And last but not least, I have jollof rice. Open. There we go. Oh, that's very satisfying until it isn't. Let's put this in the bowl. It matches the bowl, which is very cute. Look at that. And now let's go ahead and open the egusi soup. Really, I should wait until this cools down, but I'm very impatient and I just want to try it right now. So we're going to go ahead, get some of the amala, some of the soup. Wow. Again, more. Give me more. That tastes amazing. That's hot. Oh, it's really hot, but really good. This is some of the meat. Let's go ahead and try it. I think this is beef. This is way too damn hot, but I don't care. Let's go ahead and try the jollof rice. It definitely tastes different. Overall, for the whole thing, I'm giving it an 8.5 out of 10. Mwah. Nigerian food is amazing.
Yo, this is my first time trying Nigerian food. We got the egusi soup, we got the fufu. Let's dive right into it. Apparently, you dip it in the egusi soup and you get all that in there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's so satisfying to eat. But the fufu has no taste at all, honestly. But that egusi soup, bursting with flavor. Got a nice kick to it. We have the oxtail. The oxtail isn't the most tender, but it has so much flavor in there. This is incredible, though. Holy shit. It's satisfying from the soul down to the good old brajol. Unbelievable.
So first of all, you slap the fufu with no mercy. Just slap it and take it. Yes. Just put it inside. Swallow it. Don't chew. Swallow.
It's too sweet.
That's what I'm talking about.
Trying Nigerian food for the first time. I'm gonna try the fufu and the igisa for the first time. Let's give it a shot. I heard you gotta roll it up, the fufu, and then you put it in here. First time trying it, guys. Let's give it a shot. That's so good. That's so good, guys. It's really spicy. I got some meat and the gisa. That's so good. It's good. The fufu and gisa, good. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try the soya drumsticks and the jollof rice. The drumsticks came with some sauce. I'm gonna put it on there. Whoa, these jaws look hot. Ready for this, John? That's good. That's so good. Woo! The spices to this food is crazy. I'm gonna try the jollof rice now. Oh. That's good. That's real good. I'm just sorry, guys. I'm just, woo! This food is spicy. That's good. Try some of this. I'm gonna try these beef meat pies. Let's give it a shot. I'm Dominican. These taste like a pastelillo. It sounds taste like a pastelillo. If you Spanish, you know what I'm talking about. These sounds busting now. And my favorite thing was this, the fufu and this. I think it's soya. I don't know. I forgot what it's called, but that's my favorite. But it's just so spicy, bro. Like, wow. Nigerian food, this joint was busting.
First time trying Nigerian food. Let's try the puff puff first. It has this spongy texture. It's amazing how something so simple can be so delicious. Let's try their patty. This is a chicken and beef filling. I'm so excited for this. I wish the crust was a little flakier, but this tastes really good. For the thing I'm most excited about, let's get into their fufu. I'm having some goat egusi soup. That's really good. All right, I'm gonna try some of this goat. It has the same texture as mochi. I've heard a lot of people say don't chew the fufu, but personally for me, I like chewing my food, so the spiciness is perfect. I'm getting a little hot and warm, but nothing where I have to stop eating it.
Eating fufu and a goosey. Alright, you feel me? Take a little bit of that. Do this, you feel me? I've been YouTubing videos, yeah, I got a little experience, you feel me? Then you wanna make a little pocket. Then you wanna get in there, just like that. Ooh, just like that, you feel me? It's hard to just swallow it though. I don't know how you do that. You feel me? Kind of spicy. I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
trying African food for the first time ever.
Fufu with egusi. There's a huge beef chunk inside. The rib is so tender. Jollof rice. It tastes like spicy tomato sauce. Puff puff with egusi. Delicious fried dough. It reminds me of a donut. This is a mixed meat stew. It has beef, turkey, beef tripe, and so much more. It tastes like ghost pepper times 100.